So now, which type of tools we can use for result representation? Okay, so Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, MATLAB, Origin, R, Python, SPSS, and etc. You can use different tools. So just I want to show just basic idea. I want to give you basic idea about this type of tools. Okay. So first, so Microsoft Word. Uh, Maximum people know about the Microsoft Word, and maybe you already used to about the Microsoft Word. But just I want to just say about the basic just history or like basic idea about the Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It was first released on October 25, 1983 under the name Multi-Tool Word for Genesis systems. Okay. Then subsequent versions were later written for several other platforms, including IBM, then Apple and AT&T Unix, Atari, Microsoft Windows, SO Unix, Mac OS, web browser, iOS, and Android. Okay. But commercial version of Word are licensed as a standalone product or as a component of Microsoft 365 suite of software, which can be purchased either with a perpetual license or as part of the Microsoft 365 subscription respectively. Okay. So this is the symbol of Microsoft Word. You already know about this. You can Microsoft Word you can use for result representation, and also you can use for writing your manuscript or so just I want to share. Okay, I want to share just my one research paper is already published. Okay. Just I want to share. Last class I already said about manuscript structure. So this is a word representation of a research article. My research article already published. So this is the basic feature of Microsoft Word. You can use, and you can also you can represent your result by using some draw, using draw, okay, or by insert, table, shape. By using different type of shape, you can make your representation of result, and you can make your flow chart. This flow chart, status banner. There are many types of shape you can see from here, and you can make your structure or make your flow chart by using the word. Okay. And you can write your paper using the word version. Okay, different word version 7, 10, okay, to 2021 version, 2016 version. Okay. So next the Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is another tool, is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation graphical tools, pivot tables, and a micro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Okay, so Microsoft Excel is used for calculation and also for graphical representation. You can draw your result using the Microsoft Excel, and it has been a very widely applied spreadsheet for this platform, especially since version 5 in 1993. And it has replaced Lotus 123 as the industry standard for spreadsheets. Okay, Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office suite of software, and this is the symbol or icon. Okay. So this is the Excel Excel sheet, how can you plot your data like line, pie, bar, like this. Just put your data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and you can select, and then you can plot by using column, line. Okay, let's see. I want to just share my Excel, and I want to how to make your pie chart all like this. Okay. Sure. So put your data just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then here you put your 1, 4, 9, 16, 5, 25. Just a square. Then you can select and insert. You can 2D column. So this is 2D column results. Okay. Then you can change your x-axis, y-axis. And also you can delete from here. Delete, you can. And then you can also plot pie chart. Okay, different chart title, different types chart, 2D, 3D plot, more column chart. Okay. Also you can plot line for 2D line, 3D line, 3D line like this. Also you can plot your like 2D pie, 3D pie. Okay, 3D pie. And so just like this way you can plot your result, and you can represent your result by using I already discussed in my slide. Okay. So next, the Microsoft PowerPoint. The Microsoft PowerPoint is an American representation of program created by Robert Gaskis from Tom Rutgers. Okay, 1987. So PowerPoint became a component of Microsoft Office suite, and PowerPoint was originally designed to provide visuals for group presentation within business organizations, but has come to be widely used in other communication situations in business and beyond. So this is my slide is also made by Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I think you already know about this. So using the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can also make your slide good slide, and you can make your data representation or make your structure using insert your shape. You can make some structure. Okay,